What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently we're sitting at $1.14, up 0.29 on the day, sitting a market cap of 10.26 billion. 24-hour volume, 353 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to Bit or Bybit, up to 8K in bonuses on Bit, up to 30K bonuses on Bybit. If you make your first deposit, free trial for 30 days to my trade signals, early access to my analysis. All other chat rooms are completely free. If you sign up to one of the exchanges, email me your sign up email. Let's hop into Matic. So we perfectly hit our wave 3 target at $1.15. So we could be pulling back in the wave 4. And the price that we need to see hold is $1.11. If we break $1.11, then there is a possibility that the 5-wave move is already complete and you're going to pull back in a larger wave 2 pullback, or basically that's your wave 1 pullback in a 2C continuation, because we have that wave 3 target up here at $1.27. But if we can bounce from this yellow box, then it's more likely that this is a wave 4, and then you'd push up in that wave 5 to potentially just complete a wave 1 of the wave 3. Either that or your wave 3 was, it's way too short. So I don't think that's likely unless you're looking at a 1-2-1-2 setup, which would lead to a much larger wave 3. But in the short term, look for a bounce from this yellow box. If we break 111, then it's the potential is that this 5-wave move is complete and you're pulling back in at 2. Looking at the daily time frame, we broke out of this symmetrical triangle. So if we can hold this support here, you would take a measurement of the body of the triangle, take it to your point of breakout, which is right here, and that would take Matic all the way up to $1.37, which is a huge pump. I think that's pretty close. $1.27 is our wave 3 target. So do watch that. If we can hold that support, you can see continuation. If we were to break down from the pattern, then it would take you all the way down to about 85 cents, but I don't think that's the more probable scenario. ETH, nice 5-wave move to the upside in a wave 1. So what I'm looking at here is you push up in a 1, there's your wave 2. You're looking to push up in a wave 3 with a nice 5-wave move. I don't think this will be the completion of the wave 3, because it would be quite short if we take a measurement. Let's see where we'd be at. Let's see if we met the minimum target for the 3. Yeah, it could be. Let me take this fib out quickly. Yeah, it almost reached the 1.382. The minimum target for a 3 is the 1 extension. So it could be a short wave 3. That is possible. And then basically you would look to pull back in a larger wave 4. But I will give you both target zones. So here's your wave 2 pullback if this is just the wave 1 of the larger wave 3. But if this is the wave 3 complete, then I will give you a wave 4 target zone. Basically it would be in between the 236 at 1901 and the 0.5 at about 1850. And basically what you'd be looking at is that's your wave 4 pullback right there. And then basically you would push up and complete that wave 5. But it would be a rather small wave count. It is possible, so let's just wait and see where Ethereum bounces from. Daily time frame is looking really good. We broke these local highs, which is a really bullish signal. We have a bull flag, which we broke out of. The target is 24.29, and this inverse head and shoulders target is 27.18. So in the short term, if this is a wave 4 Matic, we need to hold $1.11, because if it does end up breaking, then basically what I'd be looking at is that this was your wave 1 to the upside and it's already complete, and you would pull back in a wave 2. If that is the case, I will give you the target zone quickly here from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top. And your target zone would be in between the 0.5 at $1.11 and the 786 at $1.08. If we were to break that $1.08, it would be unlikely that this is a wave 2 pullback. We are currently in a long trade, which I gave a signal for in the Discord. As I mentioned, if you make your first deposit, sign up to one of the exchanges, 30-day free trial to my signals, early access to my analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to alt plays. It's coming in at a $10 membership. You can get a 30-day free trial. And you get access to all chat rooms of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto completely for free. All links are in the comments section. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love.